And let's see now how well you can sense the motion of your heel. We're going to go through this in 3 planes, as discussed. So if we take our split stance, put your right leg forwards, and I'd like you to bend your knee and see where on your heel clock does the pressure go. So if you start standing like this and the weight's more towards the back of your heel, hopefully, and you start to bend your knee, how does the pressure in your heel change? Where does it go to? Does it go straight line down the middle towards 12 o'clock? Does it immediately dump inwards towards 3 o'clock? Or does it stay along the outside edge and kind of travel around, oh, I said that wrong, 9 o'clock's the inside, isn't it? 3 o'clock would be at the outside. So does your weight stay towards the outside and just go straight down 3 o'clock? Where do you get that sense of the weight traveling through your heel? Do you skip over your heel and go immediately into your toes? We definitely want you to sense movement through your heel, not just skip right away into your toes, letting your heel lift. So where would we like the weight to be traveling during this knee bend? So let's say this is my left foot. And let's say I'm just going to draw my foot for a sec. So if I have this dot here, and that's my start point, is that 6 o'clock? Yeah, 6 o'clock. What we'd actually like to see is the weight traveling kind of on a diagonal line like this. So we have roughly like 6 o'clock, maybe more towards the outside, and we'd like to feel that pressure traveling on this diagonal until this is about like 1 or 2 o'clock. So we have that diagonal across the heel. And this diagonal line, if you can feel that path of pressure, you are going to have probably pretty good triplanar heel movements. The pressure coming from the outside of the heel, forwards, in, and onto the front edge of the heel. And then the weight of your foot travels into the front part of your foot. So a lot of people bypass that diagonal trajectory across the heel, and they skip right away into the forefoot. And if we don't have that motion through the heel, all of those 3D heel movements that I showed you earlier on the foot model are likely not to have happened. And so it's like this whole part of your foot didn't even get a chance to move.